Bye!
I'm scared of showing up. I'll miss the regular weekends. Don't tell me way too much. I never know if you mean it.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Can't seem to get involved. I'll leave without any reason.
Happy birthday out there.
Cause everything is better with you and me. Be temporary. I'll be right back home. Let the moment be oh, know that there's always tomorrow.
Hello. Mama, message mo sa amin. Di ba we're the best twins?
Yes, oo. We're the best twins.
Yeah. Ano message mo?
You're the best twin ever. Love you, bye. Happy birthday.
I love you, Papa. Ang lakas ng hangin dito. Ay, may naghihintay sa akin. Yay! Salita ko. And it's a pet friendly pala, guys. It's sa aquascape. It's pet friendly kasi sinama namin dalawang to. Tayo mo na ako isa lang. Sabot. Ano si Chay Chay? Ay, sabi mo kay ma'am. Message mo kay ma'am. Nainis na. And thank you so much, Mama, sa aming handa. Simple handa.
My favorite tinaguan.
Thank you.
Favorite also.
Chicken! Yan, simple lang naman ang mga nice namin ngayong birthday.
Tapos meron kami
At maha. Dumalakas mo kasi simple talaga.
Happy birthday, Rochelle Richel. Love family.
Yung Rochelle Richel,
Very 1-year-old.
Oo, yung kasi parang dapat yung flower ko kunin mo, kakainin mo, no? Ako yung pinakamalaki.
Oy, nako ko pa yung maha.
Oy, ma, gawa din ni Mama. Nanonood pa siya ng YouTube habang nanonood.
What's your message to the
Twins.
Twins.
Happy birthday! And as always, I wish the best. I wish
Ay,
nothing
naiyak
but
siya.
the best.
Ay, naiyak siya, oh.
Hindi ko. Kung ako ikaw.
Oh, ayun
I
na.
wish nothing but the best and more blessings and opportunities to come for the both of
Salamat.
you. And I love you.
Sige. Umunso agad. Tagal eh. Sige.
Tapos na birthday mo na siya.
Tapos na birthday kasi guys, so,
Naubos na biyahe.
alam nyo, quick story lang. Ang tayo nito, ano pala, Cavinti Laguna. First time namin dito. Pero nakikita ko na siya before sa social media na. Maganda dito sa Cavinti Laguna. Tapos pumiyahe kami na almost 3 hours and 30 minutes. Almost 4 hours. Kaya nakarating kami dito, 4:30 na. O, dito tapos na yung birthday natin.
Ano masasabi mo sa birthday mo?
Ito nga, dapat may sabihin.
Birthday.
Ayun. Ang pain. Good morning, guys. It's our day tour here at Aquascape Caliraya. And today is the day. And parang ngayon talaga yung birthday namin. Kasi kahapon late na kami nakarating dito. And ngayon talaga gagawin namin yung activities dito sa Lake Caliraya. Meron silang lake hopping, lake tour, a jet ski, kayak, and marami pa iba. Later, makikita nyo. Time check, it's already 7:30. Wow, as a morning person! Hanggang ngayon lang to, bukas hindi na ulit. Ayan na po, alis na sila. Bye! Si Babay na! Uuwi na tayo!
I love the way you take it slow. You make this light inside me glow. You're the only one who knows me. Saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show. I get lost in those hazy eyes. I'm in love with these lazy nights. So maybe we can stay back.
Alright guys, we're here. Dito kami sa may bandang gitna ng lake. It's Lake Caliraya. Ang ganda! Let's go! Let's go!
Save me, keep me from floating away. Lose me, baby. You leave me with nothing to say but
Basta na nakahaga yan. Basta na nakahaga. Diyos ko.
I gave you the right of way. Now I'm seeing sideways. But even when Saturday ends, I know I'll see you again. I don't wanna feel it now. I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you. With you, I'll do whatever you want me to do. Save me, keep me from floating away.
Shish! Hay mo, shish. Grabe. Goodbye, Gluta. Fit White. Nanawagan po ako sa inyo.
Yun talaga pag
Nagmamaka. Hindi pa po natatanggal yung pasa ako dito dahil sa Gluta. Sorry po. Sheesh. At least, no, sa buong April namin ngayon lang kami nag-swimming. Kaya okay lang.
At saka sulit kasi nung punta kami doon sa Aquascape, madami din activities
Oo.
na magagawa. Hindi lang siya cottage or lake. May mga jet ski, mga activities.
And later, excited na ako. Ayun sila, Olin.
Let's
go! Okay, go!
I don't wanna feel the night. I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you.
Okay. After na yun, mag-kayak at mag-swim-swim. Ayan, naglalagay naman siya ng paldo.
Dito pwede pwede mag-bike.
Mag-bike.
Saka
Ang cute.
mag-archery.
Grabe no, may another lupa na naman sila dito sa side.
Tara!
Magagala lang kami dito. Para siyang mini park. May mga activities
Aba, may
din.
bilyar din daw.
Oh, bilyar din. Let's go! Woo!
Come again. See ya.
Three. Parang nag-wakeboard. Malaglag ka dyan. Ako din yun. Ma-amaze ka.
Trace it back. A summer day. The time we shared. I bruised and sprayed. Take a turn to something new. I'm tied to you.
Kahit sana. Hi guys! We just came back from our lake tour. Ito guys, yung mga floating ano nila, oh. Floating cottages. Tapos meron ditong pool. Natural water lang din yan.
Hindi malamig, hindi sobrang
Ito ang ganda, oh. May pagka-body style din siya, oh.
Uso dito doon, no?
Bawat corner din may duya. Ay ko. Kapay mag-jowa eh, oh. Tapos, di mo na imagine that. Tapos, ang view mo ganito, lake lang. Nice. Tapos, lagyan mo ng malupitang ano, aesthetic music. Oo, yan. Ako yayo,
Balang araw masusulat ko kaya ang kanta ng midinay sa Pasay sa Santa Rosa.
Okay, it's either senti na kanta or aesthetic na kanta or voiceover na parang dati lang.
Minsan ay
Isip ko noon. Tayo bata pa lamang. Simpleng selebrasyon. Spaghetti, lumpia at hotdog. Okay na tayo. Lumilipas ang panahon. Muling nagbalik ang dating nais. Simpleng handa. Simpleng selebrasyon. Makata no? Naging poetry. Masaya. Masaya. Masaya kami. Apo, upload namin to. Anyway guys, unexpected. Namumuni kami dito. Nakita namin si Sir, siya yung owner ng resort. Hello! Invite them po, invite.
Welcome here.
Okay guys, running a jet ski. Talaga yung high-tech talaga, Yamaha. Okay, nakahawak ka. Okay lang kaya? Dapat nakahawak ako. Day 2 our birthday celebration and we're now here sa aming first hole. Time check is already 4? 5. Kahapon pa kami dito kami dumiretso. At ngayon na kami nag-video at napakainit. Oo, ang tindi ng init ngayon. At ayun lang. Tapos naghanda si Mama. Pinaghandaan pa rin niya kami ngayon. We have pansit, biko,
Thank you, Mama!
spaghetti. Thank you, Ma. And Papa. Walang birthday na hindi niya pinalagpas. Gusto niya lagi may handa. At ito yung pinakasimple namin dito celebration this year. Simplest, pero masaya. Filled with love and happiness. Pure happiness surrounded by the people we love the most. Namiss namin, grabe. Ilang months na tayo di umuwi. Kasi pa, ay, may bisita kami, guys. Ito pa mga bisita namin. Ay, Diyos ko lang cute. Robby!
Cause I need to go. But just for a week,
Ako na tayo nagkita.
come back home. What happened to me? I just wanna know. All of the pressures on
Hi ka muna sa video. Hi. May kita ka ni Tatay Rado dito sa video. Manonood. Happy birthday, Kambal. Thank you, Lolo.
Gotta look in my
For the
eyes. Take me back
gift.
to the old me. I wanna be. I just wanna be me.
Hi guys! Time check, it's 7 o'clock in the morning.
And we're now here
And guess where are we now?
sa airport.
And guess where are we going? As an impulsive. Impulsive na ng February ko talaga.
February 12 to and someone
Set a free ticket for us. And we would like to thank
you.
we would like to thank him for a free ticket to Boracay.
And we DC again. Just the three of us.
Just the three of us.
Red.